Human resource management, often referred to as HRM, is the process by which a company identifies, recruits, hires, positions, and manages its employees. At its core, HRM is an approach to running a business that recognizes the workforce as its most valuable resource. The term human capital is used to describe the value that employees bring to an organization. HRM's primary purpose is to help businesses meet both immediate and long-term objectives by reducing risk and increasing return on investment. Importantly, HRM is not confined to a single department. Instead, it serves as a cross-departmental function, overseeing the management of all employees, from entry-level workers to top executives, and ensuring that people remain at the heart of organizational success. The scope of human resource management encompasses a wide range of activities, all designed to maximize the productivity and satisfaction of employees. Human resource planning, or HR planning, is a foundational function that helps businesses determine how many positions are open and whether there is a surplus or shortage of employees. Job analysis is another crucial aspect, providing detailed explanations of each position within the company. This information is used to create job advertisements and guides the recruitment process. Recruitment and selection involve receiving applications, conducting interviews, and ultimately choosing the best candidate for the job. Once new employees are selected, orientation sessions introduce them to the company's culture, values, and work ethics, setting the stage for their integration into the team. After hiring, HRM continues to play a vital role through training and development programs. Each employee participates in training designed to improve productivity, while experienced staff members are offered refresher courses to keep their skills sharp. Organizations allocate significant resources to these programs, recognizing their impact on overall performance. After about a year on the job, employees typically undergo performance reviews conducted by the HR department. These evaluations assess job performance and influence decisions regarding pay raises, bonuses, and promotions. By focusing on continuous development and regular feedback, HRM ensures that employees remain motivated and aligned with the company's goals, fostering a culture of growth and achievement. Compensation and benefits are central to HRM's responsibilities. Human Resources oversees salaries, benefits packages, and ensures compliance with various regulations. Maintaining a healthy and motivated workforce requires more than just financial rewards. HRM is also responsible for exploring alternative methods of inspiration and ensuring adherence to health and safety rules for the well-being of staff. This includes appointing safety officers, improving working conditions, and providing access to welfare and healthcare benefits. By addressing both tangible and intangible needs, HRM supports the overall comfort and security of employees, which in turn contributes to higher productivity and job satisfaction. Human resource management is essential for achieving organizational effectiveness. Its goals include identifying staffing gaps, developing and retaining top talent, and measuring personal progress and efficiency. HRM plays a key role in maintaining internal peace and harmony by engaging with labor unions, resolving conflicts amicably, and fostering positive employee-employer relationships. Facilitating effective team coordination and communication is another crucial function. When employers invest in ongoing training and career advancement, employees feel secure and prepared to take on leadership roles. Ultimately, HRM's efforts to maintain a happy and productive workforce have a direct impact on the growth and success of the business. The Human Resources Manager is responsible for overseeing hiring practices, payroll, employee benefits, and workplace safety initiatives. This role requires excellent interpersonal, communicative, and collaborative abilities, as HR managers deal directly with people every day. A thorough understanding of current trends in non-monetary perks and industry accolades is also important. Education plays a significant role, with most HR managers holding at least a bachelor's degree in human resources or related fields such as business. Experience in human resources is highly valued, as it equips managers with the skills needed to navigate the complexities of employee management and organizational development. As technology advances, the role of human resource management continues to evolve. Human resource management systems, or HRMS, are data-driven, people-centric tools that transform routine administrative tasks into strategic enablers of company value. These systems help HR professionals strengthen hiring procedures, improve personnel management, and maximize efficiency. Cloud-based HR management tools are becoming increasingly important, enabling HR departments to oversee all aspects of employees' careers and adapt to the changing needs of the business. By embracing digital transformation, HRM ensures that organizations remain competitive, efficient, and prepared for the future.